Hello students, today we are going to learn a new topic in English grammar and we are going to learn how nouns can be classified as countable and uncountable nouns. You have already learnt about the different kinds of nouns, yes? So today I will show you how nouns can be further classified as countable and uncountable nouns. Now let's first go to the countable nouns. Some features of countable nouns I have written over here. I will tell you about the features of the countable nouns. So as the name suggests, countable means we can count. So the nouns which comes under countable nouns, we can count them, means we can count them by numbers. For example, see, I have written cat, woman, pen, etc. Means we can count n number of cats which we can see, women, pen, these things we can count, yes. And the next feature is they have a plural form, means if I am giving a singular noun cat, the plural one is cats. If I am giving a singular noun pen, the plural is pens, means we can count them. If it is singular or if it is plural, we can count them. Countable nouns can have a or an or a number before them. Means in case of countable noun, we can place a, an or any number before them. If I am saying if I have a cat, so a is an article. Yes, we can place an article of a or an in front of countable nouns, or we can place any number also. So these things you have to keep in mind in case of countable nouns. Once again I will say we can count them. They have a plural form. They can have a or an before or a number before them. Now let's move on to the uncountable nouns. As the name suggests, uncountable means we cannot count them. Yes, we cannot count uncountable nouns like milk, rice, safety, etc. Can we count how much milk is there in a glass or a vessel? No, we cannot count. Can we count how much rice is there in a bowl? No. Can we count how much safety is there in a city? No. We cannot count all these things. These are uncountable nouns. They have no plural form. Okay. They do not have any plural form. We cannot say the plural form of milk is milks or the plural form of rice is rices. No, it is wrong. We cannot have a plural form of the uncountable nouns. Usually, we cannot have a, an or a number before them. As I told you, we cannot count them like that. We cannot place a or an in front of uncountable nouns. For example, see, I have written they like rice. Can I write a over here? Can I write an? No, I cannot put the articles a or an in front of uncountable nouns. Next, I wish you much happiness. Happiness is an emotion. So I cannot count how much a person is happy. It is uncountable. It is just an emotion. I cannot count them. So there is a difference between countable and uncountable nouns. I have told you the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. In simple words, you can remember countable nouns can be counted, uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Now I will give you some examples. See, what are these? Yes, these are some marker pens. Can I count how many marker pens I have kept here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are countable nouns, means the marker pens are countable noun. I will give you one more example. What are these? These are coins. Okay. Can you count how many coins are there? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So coins are countable nouns. So I can count them. Now I will give you example of uncountable noun. What is this? This is a powder box. Yes, this is a powder box. You can see powder is there in this. Can you count how much powder is there in this? Yes, no, we cannot count how much powder is there. We can only weigh it by measurement. Yes, how much weight is there? You can see the weight, 150 gram. But we cannot count them. Yes, we cannot count how much powder is there in this. Okay. See, what is this? This is an oil bottle. Can we count how much oil is there in this? No, we cannot count. You can see the weight in this. Yes, 300 ml. But you cannot count the number of oil is how much is there in this. So it is uncountable. So I have given you examples also. Now I hope it is clear what are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So what you have to do, you have to write 10 examples of countable and uncountable nouns in your English notebook. Okay students, thank you.